Hi everyone, let's figure out how to make a video in PowerPoint. Often you want to record your presentation and share it as an MP4. And so if you have a couple of slides in PowerPoint like I do here, maybe you want to start by recording narrations, and then the second step would be to export that as a video. So to start, let's go to the slideshow tab in PowerPoint and record slideshow. Takes us to this recording interface where I have options for audio and so on. I can enable my mic, I can even turn on the webcam. And so now there's another copy of me over there. Interesting. I'm going to turn that one off. And from here we might want to add annotations and actually do the recording. So to record audio you would use this button. I'm going to do that now. Get a little countdown. And we're live. As we can see, the timer is going, it's recording our audio, and this is my PechaKucha presentation with narration. So I could make annotations. I'm talking about narration now, and so I'm going to put that in a red box. Or I'm talking about some other topic which I want to share. Great. Now as I move into the second slide, it's just going to keep recording my audio for me. And so now I want to talk about exporting. And to do that, of course, we will have to finish this. So I'm going to click stop. All of our audio has been recorded along with our annotations. And as we now close out of our recording tool, PowerPoint has remembered our audio, has remembered our annotations, and it's ready to export to video. So for this part, let's go to File, Export, and you'll see there's an option here to create a video, which by default it's going to use those recordings that we just made. See, it says use recorded timings and narrations, and that's perfect. You can change the quality if you like. I'm going to leave it at 1080, and if I do create video here, I'll just put that onto my desktop for now, and we'll call this PechaKucha.mp4. I do recommend using MP4 as opposed to Windows Media, or on the Mac you'll probably have MOV as the default, but MP4 is the most interoperable format, so I recommend using MP4. I'm just going to hit save now, and PowerPoint goes ahead and creates that PechaKucha.mp4 file. In this case, we only have 2 slides, and so it should go fairly quickly. A standard PechaKucha, of course, will have more than 2 slides, and so you need to just be patient as PowerPoint renders out that video. Video takes some processing power to render, especially if you have lots of images or any animations, it needs to render those out. And so once this video has been rendered out, it's going to include, of course, the narration as the soundtrack to my video file. And once that's finished, we're going to see on the desktop that the video becomes available. So that's finished up. And here we go. I'm going to go to my desktop, and there it is, PechaKucha.mp4. And I'm going to open this now in my video player just to demonstrate. And we're live. As we can see, the timer is going, it's recording our audio, and this is my PechaKucha presentation with narration. So I could make annotations. That's fun, listening to yourself talk. Well, as you can see, it has recorded my audio. And so we have here that finished PechaKucha.mp4. This is ready now to be handed in. I hope this was useful as an example of how to make an MP4 from PowerPoint. There are, of course, other ways to do so. I happen to make this MP4 using a tool called OBS, which I'm now going to click on and stop recording. If you're interested in OBS, look for obsproject.com and see if that's a useful tool for you as well.